For latest updates and new videos, please subscribe to this channel. नई जानकारी और वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.
Hello, this is Pandit Parsai once again with you people. And some people have been asking me to make a video of my 30th of April 2020 post on the Facebook, which was third in the series of the posts that I've been putting up over there. The first one of which was on 16th of December 2019 and the next one on 30th of March. In my 30th of March post, I had mentioned that on 2nd of May, Mars had reached an exaltation point of 28 degrees. Incidentally, Capricorn is the exaltation sign for Mars. It is one of the most powerful position for Mars. And Jupiter and Saturn too would be within 6 degrees of difference in Capricorn. So things will remain more or less same till then. This I was talking on 30th of March. That till 2nd of May, things will more or less will remain the same. Now, since 2nd May is fast approaching, I was writing this on the 30th of April, it is fitting that I update my readers on the way ahead. Although I have mentioned in my 30th of March post that after 11th May 2020, when Mars moves out of Capricorn, things with the current situation will let up, but not let up enough to call it the end. And economic situation will too remain delicate till 30th of September. This I had mentioned on 30th of March 2020. It is important to understand that on 30th of March, nobody was expecting it to extend, at least in India, not to extend it in the way, shape and form that it has gone on till now. That is on today, this is the 8th of May. So on 30th of March, I was saying that no let up till 11th of May in any way, shape or form. I have been very cautious not to cause panic or excessive worrying on the part of my readers and viewers. I'm quite sure world media is doing quite a good job of it. Now from 30th of June, already I mentioned on 30th of March that things are more or less going to remain the same. But from 30th of June, retrograde Jupiter would move into its own Rashi of Dhanu, but would also be under the direct aspect of from Sun. Sun would be in company of Rahu and Mercury in a Mithun Rashi. This could cause increase in the hidden cases of respiratory illnesses to be uncovered. So adequate measures are required to address this as it can get unmanageable. From 16th of July 2020, Sun will move into Cancer, Karka Rashi, owned by its friend Moon. And from this house it will give direct aspect to retrograde Saturn in Capricorn and Makar Rashi. During this period, caution is required with regard to activities of labor forces, general masses of people, industrial ventures, transporters, means of transport, as there can be cause of general unrest, accidents, etc. Mass movement of people has to be monitored both for spread of respiratory illnesses as well as general unrest due to economic condition. Industrial ventures, means of transport, masses, all will be in a state of flux. The economic front will be in a state of flux. It governs ruling and management class of people. So this class of people has to be extra sensitive to the issues of masses in general and not to create situation where they feel oppressed or for want of essentials. Proper and adequate perception management of masses is very essential. And ruler and management class should not appear to be apathetic to them. Management, both government and private, should keep away from emotional reactions. Rather should weigh in the decision vis-a-vis the need and popularity of it amongst the masses. The old maxim, justice should not only be done but should appear to have been done, should guide them. Economic condition will remain delicate, but those on the lowest rung of the ladder need extra hand and effort which should be provided. Road to economic recovery is long and slow until Jupiter is connected with Saturn either by conjunction or by adjoining houses. Economic recovery will be impacted and will vacillate between can be better and bad. We have already seen few of the instances, at least in India, where mass movement of labor has already started. They are sending them back to their particular hometown, sending them back, or they want to go themselves, which seems to be like the precursor to these set of events, the celestial events what are in the offing. Because once when they reach their hometowns or the home places or home villages, wherever they are from, what their economic situation remains is to be seen. And at the same time, there will be lack of industrial or labor for running the industrial units and other organizations and other like shops and other places which is needed. So it seems like that the stage is getting set for these celestial events to happen, but since there is adequate time between now and July, we are still in May, we still have 2 months to plan and to take adequate measures and steps, both for respiratory illnesses as well as economic conditions, so that when these set of affairs, when this celestial event happens, we are well prepared, which is actually the task of astrology, is to forewarn so that we can prepare well in advance. So I hope all the viewers are able to understand and grapple with. The individuals should also take care of their own finances and other things, because economic condition will definitely remain delicate. And the best thing for such situation is always to get your own individual horoscopes checked. So we need to prepare well. Everybody needs to prepare, especially on the economic front, especially on the respiratory illnesses front. Respiratory and renal, blood related illnesses, they can also vacillate between better and bad. So I hope this has been helpful to all you all. Thank you very much. Pandit Persai, Namaskar.
For latest updates and new videos, please subscribe to this channel. नई जानकारी और वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।